Can you tell me your name and what city you're from?
My name's Terry, and I'm from Livonia, Michigan.
All right, Terry. What kind of problems led you into this office?
Back pain and pain going down my side, down my leg, from my back, and my knees.
Okay. And so you had back pain, you had sciatica. How long was that going on?
Oh, probably almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah.
And your knee pain, how long was that going on?
I guess it's been going on for quite a while, but it just got worse.
Okay. And so you had stem cell therapy done about 4.5 weeks ago.
Right.
What have you noticed since then? How was your back pain?
The back pain's gone.
And what about that
pain,
sciatica?
That's gone.
And what kind of improvement are you getting with your knees?
The right knee's not, that's not bothering me like it did, but the left one is.
And
but
what percentage are you?
It's like 75%.
75% improvement. Now, are you able to do things now without the pain that you used to have before?
Yes, it's a lot.
Or less pain, I should say.
A lot easier, yeah.
What are you noticing? Like stairs a little bit easier?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
What's the thing that you do now more than anything where you could say it's a lot easier that you notice the most? Is it walking, stairs? What would you say?
Yeah, probably walking down the stairs. Yeah, and before I had stand there washing dishes, then my back would hurt. But now I can do it.
Now you can do it without having all those problems. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this testimonial. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Young lady, what is your name?
My name's Judy.
Hi, Judy. Which city are you from?
I'm from Windsor.
What kind of problems were you having that brought you into our office?
I was starting to have extreme left knee pain. Had originally a right knee replacement surgically, and didn't want to have that again. And long-term suffering from low back pain.
Okay. How many years were you suffering with all this?
Low back pain, 20 years.
20 years.
20 years.
And what about the knee?
The knee, about a year.
About a year or so. Okay. So how was this affecting you throughout your daily life?
I was miserable. Miserable. Doing things off, starting to limp again.
Really?
Considering a cane. Yes.
Okay. Okay. And let's see, now this is something you were dealing with on a daily basis then pretty much?
Laterally the knee.
Mostly the knee?
Back is off and on for 20 years.
Off and on for 20 years?
Mm-hmm.
When the back would get really bad, what was it like?
Excruciating. Tension, pulling, couldn't move.
So what would you do when that would flare up like that?
Take pain medication.
Okay.
Or just lie down flat, which probably is the worst thing I could have done, but that's what I did.
Kind of
I didn't know what to do.
Kind of ride out the storm, so to speak, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's been now roughly 5 months, I believe, since you've had the care.
November,
Can you tell me, what kind of response have you had?
Well, my knee is very, very good now. It probably took a couple of months, but now I really don't have any pain now. Doesn't hurt when I bend, doesn't hurt when I go up the stairs. I feel great now with my knee. Back is probably about 50-60% better.
Awesome. Very good. So you're still getting flare-ups with your back periodically, but is it the same intensity, or what would you say?
No, it's not as bad, and they don't last as long.
Wonderful.
The flare-ups.
Excellent. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Thank you.